So in this ad skills tutorial, we're going to be talking about one of my favorite tricks inside of AdWords, which is creating custom metrics to help you get the reporting you want faster. So if you've never watched an ad skills video before, my name is John Belcher. I'm the teacher here, and we're super excited to have you. So in this video, I want to talk about the ability to create custom metrics inside of AdWords. So basically what you have is you've got all of your standard AdWords data, your performance and your conversion data, and you can manipulate them to give the numbers that you want. And so it really gives you some flexibility as far as when you're reporting to figure out how to get the exact number to determine how well your campaigns are doing. So how does it make your life better? Well, you can include it in your daily reports. You can get the numbers you need faster, better idea of performance. I use this a lot with my YouTube campaigns. So what I do is I combine standard conversions and view-through conversions into a bundle I call YouTube conversions, and then I build the YouTube CPA off of that. So that way we can see how many leads are we producing and what's our cost per lead, combining the clicks and the organic direct search together to give us a better idea of how many leads we're actually producing. So I'll show you how to do that here in just a second. What do you need in order to be able to do this? Well, you need your Google AdWords account and an idea of what it is that you want to see. So I'll show you the list of the performance and conversion metrics that you can play with. You may come up with something I've never thought of. I typically stick to the standard conversion and CPA stuff, but you may come up with something awesome. So steps of the process. Go into your campaign view, click on columns. You're going to create a custom column, create yours, apply it, and I usually save mine so that way I can go back and look at it every single time. So let's head over to AdWords. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so when you're in your AdWords account, you'll click on campaigns and you'll see here the columns portion. You want to go to modify columns, and then the bottom one here is custom columns. So you'll create a new column. I would call this YouTube conversions. And what this is going to be, so the metric, once again, you've got performance, so you can create everything here, and your conversions, so all your conversion data. So what I need is I need conversions plus view-through conversions is my YouTube conversion. And so you can come over here and play with a million different things. You can do it by conversion action. I could set up if I want to only look at a particular conversion. So if you've got all of your conversions built into your account and you just want to look at a very specific conversion, so if you only want to look at leads and not sales, things that come after, you can come through and do that. You can do it by device, network, other things. Super valuable the way you can go through and segment. And then what's really important down here at the bottom is number, percent, or money. So this one's a number. It's just going to be conversion, so I click save. Then I would also do my YouTube CPA, and that is going to be, so it's performance, it will be cost divided by parentheses conversions plus view-through conversions in parentheses. And then, so once again, all this is good. I want to come down here and change this to money. So this will report as $1, and we'll click save. And so these would be the columns that I want to add to my report. I want to save this. I would call this JB YouTube view. Save and apply. And so now I have my YouTube CPA and my YouTube conversions. I actually would switch those around. So I'd move this one up, apply, and now I've got my conversions and my CPA in there. So once again, go in and look at all the metrics. You can play around with the ability to segment. Really, the conversion metric is what's really important. So if you've got the different levels of conversions built into your account, you can segment it to only look at that particular conversion, which is super helpful in your reporting. So hope this is very helpful. If you're using AdWords a lot, I highly recommend checking it out. So if you found this tutorial helpful and want to learn more about how to effectively advertise on Google, make sure to check out our Google Ads pathway. It includes our Bulletproof YouTube ads, Bulletproof AdWords ads, and Bulletproof GDN ads courses. And honestly, it's the culmination of my experience when I worked at Google, my time with clients afterwards, and Justin's experience with clients is all wrapped into one. If you want to be successful advertising on Google, this is the #1 resource that will help you do it. And if you like free stuff, don't forget to check out the AdSkills Quarterly Giveaway. The link is in the description. If you like free stuff like Amazon gift cards, Barnes & Noble gift cards, Xbox, PlayStation, even Bose headphones, make sure to check it out. We give away stuff every quarter, and all you have to do to enter is subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, follow us on Twitter, little things like that. So don't forget to head over there and enter yourself for a chance to win. Thanks so much and have an awesome day.